Today I'm going to show you how to add video titles to your LinkedIn posts so your audience knows instantly what your video is about even before they hit play. This is one of the easiest ways to increase your watch time and engagement on LinkedIn. Hi, I'm Marta, creator of the Social School and digital marketing consultant, where I help small business owners optimize their digital presence. Most LinkedIn users scroll with the sound off, so if your video starts without context, you risk losing them before you've even made your first point. By adding a title, you make it easy for them to understand what your content is about before they even click play. Think of it as the video's headline. On your LinkedIn page, go to Create. Click Start a Post. Click the image icon and upload your video file. Then click Add Video Title. Input your title, click Add, and then Next. Now, if you want to go back and add titles to your previous videos, here's how to do that too. On your LinkedIn page, click Show All Page Posts. Then click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of the post you want to add the video title to. Click the Edit button in the upper right-hand corner of the content and add your video title. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe and drop a comment below letting me know what you'd like to learn next.